2 pounds is good enough. Pretty girl. Okay. I'm already here. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Daddy got some chicken for us? Huh? We're gonna eat good tonight. Pretty girl. We are in Galveston. I decided to come fishing, man. I just wanted to get out. Brought my 2 kids with me. It's been raining. It's freaking windy as hell. And I don't think nobody's catching anything because it's very fucking windy. I don't even care if I go fishing. I just want to get out. Today's video, I'm gonna talk to you guys about going out there and just enjoying yourself. Enjoying life. It doesn't matter what you do. Little things that you do. You don't have to be going out there spending a whole lot of money. A lot of times I get asked, people tell me, you're always doing things, you're always doing this, you're always doing that, you're riding around the bike, you're traveling, you're in the van, you know, you're doing all kinds of things. And yeah, it's true. I do pretty much stay active like that. We were talking about this the other day at work, how we've had a couple of guys that they just keep working and working and working, trying to get that retirement. And it's like they don't ever want to take a day off. They don't want to take any kind of vacation, you know. And we had one guy that he actually passed away, didn't have any kind of vacation that he was going out there to go do, enjoying his life. So as for me, I'm out here doing what I do now. I'm out here living life now. You don't know if you're going to be able to be here tomorrow, so you might as well take the time and do it now. I do save my pennies. I'm not saying that I have all kinds of money, so that when I do want to go out and do some stuff, you know, it's not going to really hurt me too much. Something like this, something simple. As you can see, I'm out here. Look, I got some chicken. I got my 2 kids here with me. I brought them with me, and we're about to eat some chicken, and I don't even care, man. Like I said, I don't even care if I'm out there fishing. Look at how bad it's raining outside. Ain't nobody doing any kind of fishing right now.
I don't work that way. Besides, the money I'm getting is part of my retirement package. I'm flying.
The waves are just pounding on the shore. Caught one little sand trout, but it wasn't a keeper. It was too small, probably about, maybe, I don't know, 10 inches at the most. All I did was just get wet out here. That's all I did. Boy, did it rain. You can see it's flooded. Oh man. Nah, it's too flooded over there, so I can't go fishing there. Let me go try it, Texas City. I don't know. It's here it was pretty bad. The wind was bad. I got all soaking wet. Alright, I've never been this way before, so I have no freaking idea where.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Bay Street North.
Alright, we're gonna try it again. Tech City Dike. Well, so it starts. Busted my line. Now I gotta put a new one again. Another freaking croaker. I use you for cut bait. Oh man, this is the life. I'm not drinking any Budweiser yet. I'm just drinking a 7-Up. Man, quit moving. These big old catfish. Well, sometimes we don't catch any fish. This mother sucker here. And you want to live, you have to live with a hook in your mouth. Fool. Alright, well, even though we didn't catch anything, I mean, well, I did catch one sand trout, but really wasn't a keeper. Look, man, today's video was just gonna be just about me coming out here and me just doing some fishing. That's it. Didn't matter if I caught any fish. Didn't matter. I mean, what the hell? Sometimes you don't catch fish, right? But I just wanted to come out here just to have a good time, just to relax. I brought me some beer, but I didn't drink any beer because my plan was that if I was gonna stay, I was gonna stay all night. Probably drink some beer, you know, things like that. But I decided, you know what? The weather, number one, wasn't too good. I got all wet trying to fish at the Galveston, and then I decided to come over here to Texas City to see if I can catch anything over here. I got a couple of bites, but no keepers. So I got a couple of hardhead. Sometimes that's just the way it is. But I'm just gonna go ahead and have a good time here, a little bit of fishing, and do my thing, and that's it. Is you can't wait till tomorrow to do what you can today. Enjoy life now. Even if it's simple things, you know. My life is not perfect. Don't I just want to tell you guys that my life is not perfect either. I live just like you guys. You know, we all have problems, we all have issues. But you know, it's when you can get out and you can go and just relax and do your thing. That's what it's all about, man. Just having a good time. Just live, man. That's it. So anyway, I know I'm just rambling on, but I figured today I would go ahead and just make this quick little video about this right here. Just going out and fishing and just enjoying life, and that's it. I don't know, man. I wanted to stay, but I'm not gonna stay because it's just miserable. Anyway, with that being said, guys, I hope you guys know where I'm coming from. I hope you understand what I'm trying to get across to you guys, my point of view. And hey, we'll see you in the next one, man. I'm ready to get out of here. Ooh. Smell like fish. See you on the next one.